Now that your class is all set up with 60 vocab, let's check in on how Spanish 101 is doing. Here, you'll see a snapshot of your class progress by student. On just one screen, you can see how many words your students have studied, how many times they have practiced a word, and the last time they have logged in. You can even check your class against each section of vocabulary, such as words, verbs, sounds, conjugations, and categories. Let's put some context to these numbers. Hu Jing seems to be pretty active judging by her stats, and she's even actively participating in class. 60 vocabs levels are spaced out over greater time increments from 1 hour to 3 months to make sure your students' vocabulary gets locked into memory. Let's look at our levels from Hu Jing's eyes. Levels 1 and 2 are typically where Hu Jing falls into the familiarity trap, the feeling that she knows the word and no longer needs to practice it. This is why levels 3 and 4 are so important. Level 3 is where Hu Jing will start to realize how much forgetting has set in and will begin to understand her weaknesses. Level 5 is the tipping point. It's here when Hu Jing will have her aha moment. She'll realize she knows her vocabulary well enough to use it in the real world, either during a conversation or on an exam. Now, take a look at Irini. She only studied 49 words, practiced 28 words one time, and hasn't logged in for 7 days. Suddenly those low test scores seem to make sense. To drill down on Irini and take a look at her stats, just click on the View Student button underneath her name. On this page, you'll see how Irini is keeping up in each section. Using this information, you'll be able to address her problem areas faster and tailor her in-class learning before it's time for the test. With 60 vocab in the classroom, your students will come to class better prepared and have the confidence to participate more. Need help? Click on the Support tab and we'll be right with you. Thanks for watching.